for a tornado. The storms
I missed
should be moving out of lower Michigan by midnight.
Thunderstorm Watch.
Cooler but windy weather is on the way for the rest of the
But
week. Spotter activation will be needed this afternoon.
it's 5:09 or 5:02.
Conditions around the area at 4 p.m. At Kalamazoo, it was fair. The temperature
And
was
it's
73
4:59 when that
degrees,
was issued.
the dew point
That should be on our
55, and the
channel.
relative humidity
Weather
53%.
Service Grand Rapids has issued a special marine warning for
That was
near
still
shore
really
and
fast.
open waters from South Haven to Whitehall, Michigan, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 6:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles southwest of the Muskegon Light to 29 nautical miles east of North Point. LT to near wind point. Moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include the Grand Haven Light, Port Sheldon, the Holland Light, and the Saugatuck Fireheads. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Oh, that's not good.
Now here is your local... The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Allegan County in southwestern Michigan until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Beechwood to 11 miles west of Saugatuck, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holland, Allegan, Plainwell, Wayland, Otsego, Fenville, Saugatuck, Martin, Saugatuck State Park, Dorr, Genzies, Hamilton, Douglas, Hopkins, Bringups, Bradley, North Dorr, Castle Park, Pullman, Shelbyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For the following areas, near shore and open waters from South Haven to 52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Why did it not activate? The thing didn't activate again. It's the second time it hasn't activated. Actually, no, this is the first time. I swapped out radios because the other one was giving me issues. But why are these not activating? Alert is on. Maybe I'll keep it off and see if it activates that. I don't know.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berry County in southwestern Michigan, Eaton County in south-central Michigan, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
10:30?
At 8:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Lake Odessa to near Midville to near Otsego, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
We're next.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lansing, Charlotte, Hastings, Eaton Rapids, Waverly, Grand Ledge, Middleville, Potterville, Nashville, Bellevue, Edgemont Park, Orangeville, Irving, Assyria, Calamo, Olivet, Brookfield, Dimondale, Vermontville, Woodland. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
What?
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
What?
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, man. What?
National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 84, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Branch, Cass, and St. Joseph. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
That's going to be
Stay
down
tuned to
here.
NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio,
SVRs.
commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
About to go. There it is. Oh, it activated.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in south central Michigan, Kalamazoo County in southwestern Michigan, until 10:45 p.m.
There it
Eastern
is. It's going
Daylight
to show
Time.
up right there.
At 9:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hastings to 7 miles north of Paw Paw, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour.
Full
wind
size
gusts.
hail.
Source:
Yo.
radar indicated. Impact: people
There goes
and
it. Just
animals
shut up.
outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kalamazoo, Portage, Albion, Marshall, Westwood, Battle Creek, Vicksburg, Galesburg, Homer, Union City, Schoolcraft, Climax, Richland, Burlington, Brownlee Park, Comstock Northwest, Level Park, Oak Park, South Lake, Alamo, Fulton. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. These storms are producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now here is your local forecast. Severe Thunderstorm Watch 81 in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, rain showers likely and a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly cloudy over. The severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Allegan County has expired. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.